Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Introducing Samsung's most futuristic flagship smartphone, the Galaxy S26 Ultra 5G. According to the latest preliminary news data, the new mega leaks revealed Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra key phone specifications, showed the smartphone in different colors, and shown in every angle. Know how it will really look. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. We're less than a month away from Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked and the Galaxy S26 series, and new leaks keep on coming. The latest one pairs the Galaxy S26 Ultra's key specs with even more official renders of the device in its cobalt violet and black colors. The news source is Android Headlines, shared a detailed spec sheet, covering nearly every detail about Samsung's upcoming top-tier flagship. Fresh preliminary data exposed, Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra Mega Leak details key specs, shows off more design angles and colors. Galaxy S26 Ultra is reportedly getting a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display with QHD+ resolution and a 1 to 120 Hz refresh rate. The panel will feature the new privacy display, which limits visibility when viewed from side prying angles. You're also getting a 12-megapixel selfie shooter and new improved S Pen support. As for the dimensions, the new Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to come in at 163.6 by 78.1 by 7.9 mm and weigh 214 grams. The dimensions are nearly identical to the S25 Ultra's 162.8 by 77.6 by 8.2 mm profile and 218 grams in weight. Samsung will unsurprisingly equip the Galaxy S26 Ultra with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip, though we don't get confirmation if it will be a 4 Galaxy variety, like previous S-series models. The smartphone will ship with 256 GB of base storage, though users will be able to upgrade all the way up to 1 TB. The back of the phone will feature a redesigned camera island, with a 200-megapixel main shooter, ISOCELL HP2, with a rumored f1.4 aperture, for better light gathering. It will be joined by a 50-megapixel ultra-wide module, Samsung JN3, a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto, IMX854, and a 12-megapixel telephoto, Samsung S5K 3LD. Those hoping for a larger battery capacity will be disappointed to hear that the S26 Ultra will ship with a 5000 mAh battery. While the new leak does not specify charging speeds, we've seen info that Samsung is finally ready to jump to 60 watts, up from 45 watts on the S25 Ultra. Samsung is expected to announce its S26 series on February 25th, with pre-sales starting March 5th, and open sales rumored for March 11th. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.